Let's talk about iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia, like anemia in the last video I was talking about, I told you that anemia is when your blood cells is being decreased in the body, the level of your blood is being decreased in the body. All right. Now, iron deficiency anemia is basically when the production is being limited due to the deficiency of iron, because iron helps in producing one important factor in the blood, because the blood comprises of many elements in the blood cells, and that important factor is hemoglobin. All right, so if that hemoglobin, the red blood cell, is not being produced, then the blood is not complete totally. All right, so if there's decreased hemoglobin in the body, iron in the body, it will be known as iron deficiency anemia. All right, this is a lack of iron in the body, and that iron, that hemoglobin, help in binding. There's something we call binding with oxygen, and at the same time it binds with carbon dioxide, is in ejecting carbon dioxide out from the body and bringing oxygen supply to different area of the muscles. And I also told you in my last video, or if you have not heard it before, anemia is a very important and crucial part of the medical part. You understand, if you have this anything called anemia, there's different types. If you have any types, deal with it and get healed, because it causes not just an issue to a particular part of the body, but an issue to general part of the body. It can cause confusion, it can cause weakness, fatigue in the brain, it can cause death of the brain as well, because the brain needs oxygen all the time, and if you're unable to give it good oxygen, then there is a big problem. Apart from that, coming to the eyes, if you're having headache consistently 24/7, eyes will started being affected with the headache. All right, eyes will started paining you, and you feel tired, you feel weak, you feel sleepy, you feel breathlessness. If you're having asthma and you're having anemia, deal with it ASAP, especially my HIV patients. If you're having asthma, you're having anemia, do not joke with it. Get treated, especially get blood transfusion, especially for the females who are having menstrual cycle. Do not joke with it. Do not joke with it. Blood decrease in your body, there will be less healing. Blood helps in healing and repair. So in aspect of coagulation means, let's say there's tear of your body and the blood is dripping out, then the hemoglobin helps in making that skin a bit thicker and the blood will stop dripping out. See, it's helping in different aspects, and we lose this hemoglobin in different ways. We lose it either by open wound where the blood is unable to stop, or we lose it by, especially for the female's menstruation cycle, then they are losing a lot of blood and they have to do something about it. Either get transfusion done, you meet your doctor, get the professional advice on what to do. You can use capsule to increase your blood. All right, so apart from that, I've told you a lot of issue: chest pain, breathlessness, weakness. There's a lot of issue. You feel the hand, like discoloration of your body and etc. It's very, very, very important. Now, causes of this, like spoke a lot about the causes. I'm just going through causes, blood loss, and etc. Yeah, risk factors: infants, vegetarians, frequent blood donors, complications, heart problems, a lot. Prevention: how can you prevent anemia? Your doctor will give you two advice: take medicine, take blood transfusion to improve your anemia, or you change your dietaries, you started eating healthy so that you regain and produce more blood cells in your body. All right, so these are basically it. Nothing much to talk again about anemia. Please, again, if you're HIV positive and you're having decreased blood supply in your body, and you're an asthma patient, or you're having decreased blood in your body, do not joke with it, because blood helps spread oxygen around the body, and if it's not doing the complete function, you start feeling some issues. Please, again, I quote again, do not joke with it.